Tourists frequently overlook Omaha and include it as a quick pit break on their itineraries. However, once visitors step foot in the city's historic Old Market District, stroll along the riverfront, or stroll through the Dundee neighborhood, their attitudes and intentions quickly change. Omaha used to be a significant transportation hub, but today it is in the top American cities with the highest concentration of billionaires per capita. They are well taken care of, with wonderful cuisine and culture, but we can still enjoy all of it with less money to spend. The city of Omaha is known for its steakhouses, and there are certainly plenty of them to be found there. However, a recent renaissance in farm-to-table cuisine has taken center stage, with local purveyors supplying restaurants with locally produced food such as meat, dairy products, and produce. The zoo in Omaha is home to both the largest indoor rainforest and indoor desert in the world. Not only that, but there are also 130 acres of underground tunnels, tens of thousands of species, and over 7 acres of indoor exhibits. The zoo is also open all year round, making it an excellent option for rainy days. The Omaha Craft Brewery Tour, which stops at 9 different breweries, is the finest opportunity to try some of the tastiest beer you're ever going to find. All the beers on display are crafted by passionate locals who have worked in the beer industry their entire lives. You can get all the information you need and coupons for 9 free beers by requesting a free Explorer journal. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Dundee neighborhood is one of the best areas in Omaha to obtain top-notch flavors since it offers a genuine gastronomic adventure. You can choose from a variety of dishes, including pasta with garlic, juicy burgers, tender pork belly, and to finish the tastiest, sweetest sweets. Due to the diligent chefs and restaurants that use only local ingredients, the streets are reeking tantalizing aromas. Not famished? Then proceed to the Dundee Gallery to browse endlessly at Hello Holiday and Denim Saloon. Alternatively, if you're in the mood for a drink, head over to the Dundee Dells, which has the most extensive collection of Scotch whiskey in the country. The Lauritzen Gardens are a secret haven in the middle of the bustling metropolis that offers an all-year-round plant show. Explore the 100 acres of magnificent displays and themed gardens, including the Victorian Garden at the recently opened Marjorie K. Doherty Conservatory. The best way to experience the tranquil environment the garden offers is to board a tram for a tour. The Children's Garden and Model Railroad will be a hit with the younger crowd. After a morning of exploring, consider enjoying a leisurely lunch in lovely surroundings at the Lauritzen Garden Cafe. Also, don't forget to stop by the great little gift shop, which has a variety of novelty fun gifts for children and an extensive botanical book collection. The Carey Bridge, which connects more than 150 miles of outdoor trails and walks, offers a wide range of activities. Whether you visit by bike or on foot, you are sure to have a great time. This creative 3,000-foot bridge over the Missouri River allows you a foot tour of Omaha's stunning cityscape. Enjoy the Akker Plaza, which features a variety of attractions like an interactive water feature and a play area called River Critters.